Namaskar. I am delighted that such a large number of experts from various countries have joined us for the CoWIN Global Conclave. Right from the beginning of this pandemic, India has been committed to sharing all our experiences, expertise, and resources with the global community in this battle. Despite all our constraints, we have tried to share as much as possible with the world. Technology is integral to our fight against COVID-19. Luckily, software is one area in which there are no resource constraints. That is why we made our COVID tracking and tracing app open source as soon as it was technically feasible. And right from the beginning, we in India decided to adopt a completely digital approach while planning our vaccination strategy. Indian civilization considers the whole world as one family. The pandemic has made many people realize the fundamental truth of this philosophy. Vaccination is the best hope for humanity to emerge successfully from the pandemic. That is why our technology platform for COVID vaccination, the platform we call CoWIN, is being prepared to be made open source. Soon, it will be available in any and all countries.